Practicing mindfulness meditation effectively. This is for beginner-friendly meditation class. Today's class agenda. Section 1, self-preparation. Section 2, time to meditate. And Section 3, self-check. So let's discuss the class. So let's start the class with a good quote. This good quote: we can't always change what's happening around us, but we can change what happens within us. Remember this. So this a class introduction. Today's meditation will focus on mindfulness meditation that combines meditation with the practice of mindfulness. This class will teach you to slow down racing thoughts, let go of negativity, and calm both your mind and body. So these are the benefits of mindfulness meditation. Number 1, stress relief and less anxiety. By learning how to be more choiceful about when you think about what, we can rewire our brains to reduce stress and anxiety. So yes, stress relief and less anxiety. Number 2, better focus and productivity. Mindfulness helps us recognize distracting thoughts of impulses and let them pass without indulging them. 3, more patience. Mindfulness teaches to practice patience so it comes naturally to us when we need it. Number 4, improve sleep quality. By learning how to be more choiceful about when you think about what, we can rewire our brains to reduce stress and anxiety, so you get a better sleep. Number 5, personal development. Mindfulness meditation helps you better understand your authentic self by teaching you how to observe without judgment. Number 6, improve social relationships. It's been shown to foster stronger social connections by allowing you to connect with others on a deeper level. So, what's your feeling now? Are you anxious, calm, stressed, excited, sad, happy, bored, worried? Feel it. What do you feel? So now, self-preparation. Please describe your feeling. Take a second and describe to yourself. What do you feel? Put your hand on your chest. What are you feeling right now? Be honest, totally honest to yourself. So now, mindfulness meditation preparation. Remember, turn your phone on silent and go into a room away from others. Remember this. You need silence. You can sit on the top of a cushion or the floor, but don't tense up. Be relaxed. Focus your attention on each inhale and exhale. Continue like this. Learning how to manage distraction is a vital part of the process. But don't be worried, it's part of the process. Let the meditation begin. Close your eyes and relax for 10 minutes. So now, stop the video, put your clock and relax for 10 minutes. So see you again in 10 minutes. Hello again. Follow this instruction. Notice what your legs and arms are doing. Feel them. Soften your gaze. Feel your breath. Feel in the moment. Feel it now. Do it now. Feel the now and keep up the meditation. Notice when your mind wanders from your breath. Notice it. Observe this. Your mind. Hello again. Follow this instruction. Notice what your legs and arms are doing. Feel them. Soften your gaze. Feel your breath. Feel in the moment. Feel it now. Do it now. Feel the now and keep up the meditation. Notice when your mind wanders from your breath. Notice it. Observe this. Your mind. Hello again. Follow this instruction. Notice what your legs and arms are doing. Feel them. Soften your gaze. Feel your breath. Feel in the moment. Feel it now. Do it now. Feel the now and keep up the meditation. Notice when your mind wanders from your breath. Notice it. Observe this. Your mind. You are the observer of your mind. Be kind about your wandering mind. Be kind, not judgmental. And when you're ready, gently lift your gaze. If your eyes are closed, open them. And breathe. Self-check. Now it's time for you to describe your mood after meditation. How do you feel? Don't you see the difference? Now notice this. And now, a piece of advice and discussions. Be sure you're in a comfortable position to practice, but not too comfortable, so you get to sleep. Take the necessary steps to address fatigue and sleep problems outside of your meditation practice. And to gain the most benefits from meditation, practice every day, even if it's just for a minute. Even when you're going shopping. The more you practice mindfulness, the more regularly you will be able to achieve calm in all situations.